I'm about to burn some more with this stove. Hello, cousins. This is your favorite cousin Shay, or you can just call me Shay. This is Shay's Tiny Living, and on this channel, you will find everything that got to do with RVing tips, tiny little tricks, hacks, and you already know anything about tiny living. This channel will benefit you in a lot of different ways. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for all my subscribers for coming back, and welcome in to all my new subscribers. Well, anyway, cousins, on this video, we're just gonna show you a simple outdoor setup that we do just to get going when we finna get ready to barbecue. And today will be my first time using my outside kitchen, y'all. Let's see how this go. And if you want to make the best baked beans with the biggest flavor cooked in the tiniest kitchen, make sure you keep watching, cousin, because I got the recipe for you. The exact recipe you will need to blow your mind, cousins. Keep watching. Okay, cousin, as you can see right now, I'm trying to set up my outside kitchen. This is the first time that I actually used it. As you can see, I got the gas line. I'm a little confused. I didn't want to do it from our regular gas tank, our propane tank. So I went about this little bitter one thinking that it was going to work. But I guess my husband said I need some kind of adapter or something. I don't know. But as you can see, I was struggling. Your girl didn't know what I was doing. I'm like, you know what? I need to just leave this alone. I tried to put it in the little thing. It would not go. I was trying to be hard-headed. He told me it won't work, but y'all, as you can see, I was struggling. So if you know how to hook this thing up, please let your girl know. Y'all know I'm new to this, and I need all the tips and tricks you got. Y'all, please help your girl out, because I don't know what I was doing, y'all. As you can see, I was not able to use my outdoor kitchen to do my baked beans. Y'all, this is a little mosquito thing that we got for the outside. It doesn't smell. You just put this little thing in it and set it up, and you are ready to ride. Y'all need to get one of these because they do work, cuz. Get you one. Alright, cousins, as you can see, hubby is opening up the baked beans for your girl. Y'all, look at this hamburger meat. $2 and something for that big pack. Y'all know I had to get more than one pack. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to get started with these baked beans. About to cut up these onions and these bell peppers. Y'all, when I tell you this is the master recipe, this is the master recipe. You would not regret trying this recipe, cousin. Get into this video. I'm telling you, you will love it. Cousins, just cause we tiny living, that don't mean we gotta have a tiny appetite. And just cause we tiny living, that don't mean we don't bring the big bold flavors. So cousin, if y'all want to try this recipe, make sure you drop in the comments and let me know what you have think. And if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and watch all my other videos that I have. I don't have about 3 because y'all know I am a new channel, but baby, I'm gonna be bringing the business. But thank you guys for watching my channel again. But look at this big feast, y'all. I hope to see y'all on my next video. Bye.